To open the frunk on a Model 3 or a Model Y in order to change to 12 volt if the vehicle is dead, just push on this panel here where the tow hook lives. Remove the cover. On the back side on a plastic post, remove these two wires. You can use the 12 volt that you're going to put in the vehicle, a good 12 volt to jump it. You can use the box as a stand. Take the caps off. Take the red to positive, black to negative. Hold it for a minute. Frunk's open. Bonus tip, if you don't have a 12 volt battery handy and you want to pop the frunk, a standard 9 volt battery will normally work as well. Same deal, red to positive, black to negative. Frunk's open. When you're done, to put the cover back on, place the wires onto the plastic post, tuck the extra wires in. Notice that the tab goes approximately a 1 o'clock position. Work that into place, snap it in, and you're good to go.